Alright, I got my starter kit from Leaf Only today. It came in after about a week or so. And what we have here, we have obviously the box, the mold, it goes up together like that. And packaging contents list, Ecuadorian Seco shade. These are the cigar wrappers. I already opened them up and smelled them. The aroma is really good. We have the Nicaraguan binder, and we have here the Dominican Seco. These are the fillers. It's a bigger package. I don't know, weighs about maybe quarter of a pound, maybe a little bit more. These guys similar. I think they're a little bit wetter than the fillers. This is the wrapper. Hardly weighs anything. And this is a disc instruction videos. I'm not even sure if I have my computer has a slot for that thing. And we got some cigar labels. Powder, that's the glue. I gotta mix it with water. An end cutter, which is basically a 3/4 copper pipe. Matches. It's gotta be worth something. And a cutter. So that's the content. Cost me about around $50. So I'm doing this video. I'm gonna also video my initial attempts at rolling my own cigars, and hopefully I can edit it or put the raw footage on my YouTube channel so you guys can see it. All this is done for two reasons. I found out the cigars that I was buying, the factory made. I thought they were handmade, but no, they're factory made by machines. And for all these years about buying cigars, thinking they were handmade, but they weren't. So figure I save some money on the cigars because price of cigars has gone up in the past couple of months. And same cigars I was buying, I don't know, I was buying like 15 cigars for like $50. They're going up to like 79, 80 over at Cigar International. And so save some money. And also I found out that a lot of these cigars have sort of chemicals, either during the processing of the leaves or adding some flavors, which I never bought flavored cigars, but I was told that they do have them. They're in there. So I didn't want anything in there. So these are natural leaves. Hopefully they weren't sprayed with any kind of fertilizer or insecticides or things like that. So this is the package I got from Leaf Only. I guess there's enough here to roll 10 cigars. Although I'm going to try to make cheap cigars, not good looking cigars. So I may try to stretch this to more cigars. I like 60 ring cigars, but these molds, they don't look like 60 gauge molds. Probably more like, I don't know, 50 or maybe 45. But we'll figure it out. Maybe I won't even use the molds. I use newspaper. I've seen it on YouTube. Some people use newspaper as a mold. So I'm gonna try that too. Okay.